Okay, so I'm going to work through some concentration calculations. Okay, so first of all, calculating concentration will be the mass divided by the volume. Okay, so I can change that into a triangle. So remember that the line there is you divide. Okay, so if 5 grams of sodium is dissolved in 1 decimeter cubed, what is the concentration? Now, don't forget that decimeters cubed is the unit that you need to use. Okay, and a decimeter cubed is the same as a litre. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down my 3 letters. So M equals C equals V equals. So I want to know the concentration. So that's the thing that I don't know. My mass is 5 grams and my volume is 1 decimeter cubed. So because it's in the right unit, I can use it straight away. So 5 divided by 1 will give me 5 grams per decimeter cubed. Okay, so that's my concentration. Again, we've got 8 grams of sodium hydroxide dissolved in 2 decimeters. So I'm going to write down my 3 parts. So mass equals, concentration equals, volume equals. The concentration is the thing that I'm trying to find. My mass is 8 and my volume is 2 decimeters cubed. Now again, because this is in the right unit, I can use it as it is. So 8 divided by 2 will give me 4 grams per decimeter cubed. Okay, now don't forget that the unit actually gives you a clue as to what it is that you've calculated. So your grams is your mass. This slash is a divide, isn't it? So per decimeter cube. So you've divided your mass by your decimeters cube. So don't forget that any units that you see with a slash, you do by dividing the two values. Okay, so that's a really good clue in terms of the units. Now the next one, we've got mass, concentration and volume. So I've got 50 grams. I want to know my concentration and I've got 5 dm cubed. Again, that's fine. Okay, so I'm going to do 50 divided by 5, which will give me 10 grams per decimeter cubed. Okay, now this last one is a little bit more difficult, only because my unit is different and I need to change it. Okay, so I've got my mass, my concentration and my volume. So I've got 6 grams. The concentration is what I'm trying to figure out. Now I've got 500 centimeters cubed. So the first thing I need to do is change that into decimeters cubed. So there's 1,000 centimeter cubed in a decimeter cubed. So that will be 500 divided by 1,000. So 1, 2, 3 will be 0.5 decimeters cubed. Okay, and once I've done that, I can just use it in exactly the same way. So it'll be 6 grams divided by 0.5. 6 divided by 0.5 will give me 12 grams per decimeter cubed. Okay.